Hey everybody, this is Chris and welcome back to another video on the British accent. This time I want to look at the sounds of the letters in English as pronounced in a standard received pronunciation accent. This is the accent from the south of the UK. So let's have a look at these letters. The first one is A. A. So this is a long diphthong sound. A. A. Watch the shape of my mouth as it goes from wider to narrower and from larger to smaller. So on the top of the screen you can see the letter, and in the middle you can see the pronunciation in the International Phonetic Alphabet. I explain how that works in my course, but if you don't know what that is for now, don't worry, you can just look at the letter names and copy after me. A. The next one is B. B. So we've got this plosive sound at the beginning, B. And then we've got the long E sound where it's like you're smiling. E, like in cheese. B. C is the same sound. C. Then we've got D. So you'll notice there's a lot of E sounds in the alphabet. E. D. Then we've just got E. E. It actually hurts your mouth to make that shape for too long, actually. Then we've got F. 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 So we've got this F sound where your upper teeth are touching your bottom lip. F. F. G. So this is a J plus E. G. G. So the next one, a lot of native speakers will also pronounce in different ways. Some people would say H, but actually, strictly speaking, this should be H, A, then Ch, H, H. Then we've got I. Again, this is a long double vowel sound, a diphthong sound. I. So you need to make sure you pronounce this long enough. I. To get it sounding very native. The next one is J. J plus A. J. Then we've got K. K. A. K. The next one is L, which is E plus O. This dark L sound, which is difficult for a lot of non-native speakers. It's pronounced like this. All. So your tongue will be on the top of your mouth. Usually, for most people, it will be touching the top of your mouth, or it may be curled up or pointing slightly back in your mouth, but it stays there for some time. L. Okay. The next one is M. M. The N sound, you just breathe out through your nose. M. Lips come together, you breathe out through your nose. M. We've got N. Same, but your tongue is touching your hard palate here. N. Then we've got O. Again, another long diphthong sound. O. Again, watch how my lips go from larger to smaller, wider to narrower. O. P. E. P. Then we've got Q. It's not K or Ku, it's Q. It's got a Y in the middle. Q. Then we've got R. So this is a very British English sound for this letter. R. It's just a very long sound, almost like you're going to the dentist and they ask you to open your mouth wide. R, like that. S is the next one. Then we have T. E. T. U. So again, this has got the Y at the beginning. U. Then V. Again, your top teeth are touching your bottom lip. V. It's not we. It's not w. It should be V. E. The next one, a lot of people get confused. This is not W. This should be W. D, A, B, all. Again, it's this dark L sound, the all. Tongue stays at the top of your mouth while you say this sound. double, double. Double just means two, right? Two U's, double U. So this is a bit like W in French, double V, but in English it's double U. So you've got to get this double, the all sound, double U, and then change to a Y, U, W. Then we've got X, X. It's got this consonant cluster at the end, K plus S, X, X. Can you do that? X, X, Y. And the next one is different in American English and British English. In American English, this would be pronounced Z. You probably heard about the alphabet from A to Z. But in British English, in the UK, people are taught Z. Z, E, Z, E, D. Z. So in the UK, the alphabet goes from A to Z. So remember this if you are dealing with a British English. This should be pronounced Z. Okay, so that's the last one. If you've got any questions at all, just leave me a comment below and I'll get back to you. And if you found this video useful, give me a like and also subscribe to my channel because I'm going to have more videos coming soon, different types of videos. So keep posted. And that's all. So thanks for watching. See you very, very soon.